The Petra colored pencils, one of the inexpensive colored pencil brands in Bangladesh. I bought this from a local stationery store for 150 taka. There are 12 plus 1 colored pencils in this box. Let's open it. Well, this is weird. Oh, here it is. Well. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. So, let's get started. Well, my first impression is that I'm glad that they put peach color in their box. For coloring skin, I think this one is really important. You might be wondering why I am reviewing these colored pencils, so inexpensive. Well, this is my first time actually using these colored pencils, and I wanted to make a video about it. And there is another reason I haven't drawn a cat for a long time. Now, well, for the price, these colors are not bad at all. The colors are blending quite nicely. And there's a minor problem. I think they could have included another color instead of 2 grains. So I'm gonna go ahead with some time lapse. Let's see how this cat turns out. Well, the box does not have a gray color, so I'm gonna use my graphite pencil to shade the gray first. Well, as you're seeing, I think it turned out quite nice considering how cheap the colored pencils are. By the way, I have always wanted to have a cat, but my mom and sister get freaked out whenever they see one. So, do you guys love cats? What do you think we should call her? Let me know in the comments. And if you're new in my channel, please subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.